Panchayat Budno Kitingai West Bengal Hastewa Khorok Bachi Butharjamani Party Mungno Shejawai Phashalo Rajokhara Agulini Laharo Khadumani Rally Khlaiga Yakshi Bodol CPIM Khadumani Rally o Manjakha CPIM ni Politburo Adong Manik Sarkar ex MP Shankar Prasad Dotto CPIM ni Haste Adong Pobitrokor Akosong Ashalni Khadumani Rally CPIM ni Hangkhortang Nok Beskangni Shimi Rally Chengai Paradise Chomni Amsayo Khlaijaka Khadumani Kaisa Panda
পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রহসনাত্মক পঞ্চায়েত নির্বাচন ভোট লটকুন সন্ত্রাসকে জানাই ধিক্কার পশ্চিমবঙ্গে প্রহসনাত্মক পঞ্চায়েত নির্বাচনের
violence, looting of voter ballot papers and arsoning of houses etc. and women are seriously affected. There is no rule of law in the Bengal. For that practically, we from Tripura people decided to solidarity with the toiling people of the Bengal who are fighting bravely against this Trinamool rule. For this, we organize here in our state capital a rally, and after the rally, Paradise Shore, there will be a meeting.
Pandao Koknarkha CPIM ni Politburo Adong Manik Sarkar ex MP Shankar Prasad Dotto CPIM ni Haste Adong Pobitrokor Akosong Rajokhara Agulini Shimi Omit ni Kokthum Chini Khorang